all necessary care. Budgie and a better life for budgies. Here are some basic tips for taking care of a budgie. 1. Housing. Budgies need a cage that is at least 18 inches by 18 inches by 18 inches. They need room to fly and play, so the bigger the cage, the better. 2. Food and water. Budgies need fresh food and water every day. They eat seeds, fruits, vegetables, and protein. Clean the food and water dishes daily. 3. Toys. Budgies need a variety of toys to keep them stimulated and prevent boredom. Some ideas include swings, mirrors, bells, and ladders. 4. Cleaning. Clean the cage regularly to prevent the buildup of waste and bacteria. Wash the bottom tray and replace the substrate. Clean the perches and toys regularly. 5. Exercise. Budgies need exercise to stay healthy. Allow them to fly freely outside of their cage, but supervise them to prevent accidents. 6. Health. Pay attention to your budgie's behavior and appearance. Take them to a vet if there are any signs of illness. 7. Bonding. Spend time with your budgie every day to build a bond and provide socialization. Talk to them, offer treats, and offer to scratch their head or pet them gently.